Welcome to the art class, children. Today our topic is a fun with alphabet. Why we require this? Drawing not only enhance our creative skill, it also enhance our handwriting. So by you doing this, practice these alphabets, it will enhance our handwriting also, because it is a very good coordination of 3 H. One is heart, head and hand. What you feel, what you think, that will release through your hand. So let us practice. First, letter A. First you have to take 2 parallel lines, then you draw the A. Why we require these 2 parallel lines? Because our letter will be in shape. Then upper line, make a circle as head, a boy, or you can make a girl. By using the ribbon or ponytail you can do also girl. Then hand, then we'll do the dresses, shoes, now if you want to turn it into the boy, then we have to make the shirt, then pant, now how easily you can draw the boy and the girl by using letter A. Now let's do the 3D image of the letter A. You required for your project work, sometimes for the lettering or writing the captions, so it will help you. Draw the parallel line to letter A for the 3D effect. Then lines are parallel, all lines are parallel to each other. Then rub the extra lines inside. Now start shading. The value deep to light, light to deep, to get the 3D effect. Now you see, children, your A get 3D. Now let's come to B. Now see how the image is coming. The speck, the nose. Yes, is the image of a boy. B for boy. So how this B easily help you to get the drawing of a face of a boy. Now you can, this figure also you can turn into an old man also. A white mustache. Now the same figure can be turned into a old man. Now come to the 3D image of the B. Parallel line you draw. Parallel line. So you can practice all the alphabets and you just unleash your creativity With every alphabet, you come across a new drawing. It will enhance your creative skill, thinking skill, and as well as make you skilled.